Tá an sraith saobh sus go bra agus tríóta fácaí Rarcan an tearn fearn baile Cheshire as Canada go an parca ag fearn Dominic Foley agus rins áirithe Anna Rackadas stát éintear tíbhan lábh deise Mickey Rolsama ar tíbhan lábh clé as an níisiil tíreags Mar McCleary ag fille néachla Anne-Marie Juliak it's in the posti. Erin Van Daldrick filla his corta derg and fuxi sus tus and visha na galia. Gillian O'Toole, a Vimar captain or Stephen Love Zeshal Parka. Delana Frisian, Chuntosa, captain Fern the Heron Fui Shatic, Shni Katie Lawley, and Inukla Daniel Steer. Oh, cool Fatic Daniel Steer, O'Honigshi, Ictus me Ool. Argus no Alone. Ma Aidin Lobabua all Rashid the Dash Suskabar na Shraha, Shauna Brennan, or Stephen Love Zeshan, Le Kelly Brennan, or Stephen Love Zesha, Kelly Shine, Callie Nautilus Clonangail, Le Leoch Nafornia Norida, Maddie Gibson, Ern Cleahorn, the team Love Clay, Captain Nafornia, Laurie Ryan, and Laura Parker, Neil Colleen, Balaclor, the Gallia Vishani Kate Slevin, Jesse Rassman, Morlacholi Laur, Isabel Ryan, it's Shachad of Ern, and Nocht, Kerry Ann Brown, Nachwell or Fall. Brenda Tabby, Chuntosa, Heda Cool Fatsika Shood, Le Heda Cliff and Nose, and Neil Colleen Schliggy, Shani Roshin Malloy. Kid, kick Cunha Gunsanula, Gibson. Go home and shots the Muska. Oh, Tabby! And in the free to Harris and Shasna. Visha Prabha Hart. Well, Tabby, Lauren Hagachwood. Katisha, because me all alone bits and just cool and keen.
Yeah, on a quid me on Shinner, all loon, Brenda Tabby, and Shin Bullokin, Visha Spruck, Egondera, Shin Anwar Fad.
As well. Real she near up.
Oh, look at that!
Kanye O'Halloon. Shots the Mershon Focky. Shots the Muska Gibson. Gibson go on and shots the Muska. Does she prep a heart? Cohen and Lerods. Kicks here. Run to Mark at a cool border. Ah, well, Rushy Harris and Lena. VAR Testog. And Sir Shot Chakatsi. He's a very Carrick Park. Gemma Murphy Buck. Neve Landon Chira Hosta. The characters go rates for Mark Lynch. Visha Fada go Kurba. Erin Lena. Commons. Peter Brown was sharing the camera reacher Dara Faithans a chin. Ach, thank you, cool, the style of Fotsik, Kanye O'Halloon.
But Sinead gone out, thought we're in Bada Loon, thought she contested with Lars with the brand new Reach.
Nicholas a jaw, and Lear's a Prabha Hart, I guess, well, Shaft, me up a beat, Dinagukani Treaty, Vranish Arnusker, Mara McCleary, Ivra Kuik, Gur Honig and Lear's went Gloon, go Homeland 3 Himpishte, on Fear Fashion. Once he turns him at Zola Hama, Kanye O'Halloon from Keane, Gibson shots a Muska, Sir Saba like Gemma Murphy, she's Harvish Guppy. I guess, well, the Nish comes Brando with a conscience, a Francham from Hain, Louise, and Salbolivia. I can score shot, La Hama, Treaty and Odds, Kanye O'Halloon a Hain, Rockman Cheese or Team Lina, she's a Gandrew. Mar Honig what's a kid, lads, it does be Crab Hartness, Colin, that's just Muska. Rala Seminish, Neshikito Gadish, shots a Muska, did she force a Crab Hart? Cloigan Curlish Ganchin. Oh, counter to Chessa Muska. I guess, well, Cousins. Stoi Firchwer here in Chin. Kaylee Shine Titsy. I guess, who's the Chin? Kamasul. A higher charge. Fishy Faber Hart. Frisian at Asha Chessa Muska. Burst Natur. I guess, Shauna Brennan. Nishi Kitoig. Sauce to come on. Lirch Neckal Gulmach. Harsh Tivlach. Emmerts on me Slachter. It's more to Louise. Tita Lirchin. Tita Shagoshas Nango Kahaneska.
Yeah, tá sé anna isca cool on nuair haon sé las busca bíonn sa léir ag Prabha
was her skirach na she means Bosch tá Titsi in Tro Park na Margie Limnach Maddie Gibson is a Garhu Cleahon Gibson a Brando Sosa Simpristunish Maddie Gibson oh cool Fotsik Maddie Gibson and Zura Shot Shakatsa Ní Doilam Gorach Jashin she's mar her cool like Maddie Gibson Fishy Gulamach her 4-rail Ach Mia Edish Gandora Urunacht Le Calini, 3D United.
Yeah, but Shingamawai Maddie Gibson a Reach on Costa Clay, Mia Airtricity Dundaro or no.
There's Nima Long Keentsa King Calini be here on the Cousins. Doylum could be on a rocket to be on Shansky Beat, Gillian O'Toole, Nima Long Keentsa. As well. Mia Dundara Urmar Durma Limrod Treaty turn the blinta Kieran Kilduff An Uberzinta Gimlianish the Canning Station Cho let's go off the 9th Traslan Maddie Gibson a shit like it oh Glanta Gilliana Brenda Tabby Bevy Roshi Malloy hopefully Kedirucht Fukshin spot on paint Haitian nearer to Haval Guntrasnan Urtish and Tast Zernach in the Taspil she's brought treaty. Shullin in this Roshi Malloy. Malloy Brando Sauce. and a rocket was a course shoot. Malloy fós brenn suas. Níl tabby sa musca. Shasan sí seach agus céimeann sí seach agus leis tasso. Let's go ag Róisín Malloy. Bhíonn míán le cúig nó an Louise. Céirt fao sin mar críoch go Cluiche, céirt fao sin mar críoch ó Róisín Malloy.
Agus beidir go bhíonn an cúla bliana, beidir gúil cúla bliana bheith agan a sin go háin ar fád bheith sin bhuair sí spáistí héin agus sin bhí si fannacht agus leis an deisiog.
Céimhíos a cóireach de lenar Frisian agus níos éasca go leart de lenar Frisian. Fug sin spot a bhreana sí so a scuil sí orachar leis a tasso go seacha cóine na hangaí ní ar seans arbe ag Gemma Murphy sa chúl agus mar dúirtó covis beidir go cúna bliana feici go há chola recognize a country. Baby, it's a brand new sheer coolchen member. If I reach Geschachtene, scored 10 and Joe Parker Wargi Limnock. Treaty and odds. Can you all in the tree? Rockman Chisik Mortstrassa.
Just last, Tussle Lake, the Himra Brenda. Congratulations if you just collect your trophy there as player of the match tonight. Were you happy with how you played tonight?
Yeah, I'm very, very happy, even though I would have loved to score. But my first goal has always been to have a very big victory like today. I'm very happy because even though I did not score, but we have 3 points today, so I'm very glad.
And top of the table again?
Yeah, once more. So I'm very, very happy and I'm overwhelmed. In fact, today is a very good day for me because I've been praying for this. So I really need to be the first so we can have the league.
And again, you have 3 games coming in very quick succession in 6 days. A cup final, or cup semi-final this Sunday coming. Are you prepped for that?
Yeah, I'm very, very prepared. In fact, all of my teammates, we are all really, really prepared, prepared in fact. And we all promise you victory, even though it's going to be a very, very tough match, but victory is going to be ours. Congratulations
again, Hernash Atsa Awartrasa. A 3-0 win on the road is always welcome, but it was a bit hard fought tonight, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely. This is our 3rd time playing Treaty this year, and every one of the games have been really, really tight, so we knew coming down here. The conditions were obviously a bit miserable, but we're delighted to get out of here with 3 points.
You started the first half and not everything was going your way, but you came out of traps in the second half. What were things you pointed out that you had to change?
I think for us, we just needed to stay a bit calm. We were probably a bit panicky and trying to force things. So when we settled on the ball, we kind of got into the game a little bit more, and then you could see the quality shone through with the girls' goals, and it was just great to get them, and they came at the right time for us as well, I think.
And speaking of quality, that last goal from Róisín Malloy, what do you make of that?
Yeah, unbelievable. I've always telling Ro to shoot, but no, in fairness to her, she played a few different positions for us tonight and she did brilliant across the board, so just really happy for her to get that, and I think it's something that she deserves from the way she played tonight.